Here's a pair of the Sony Altwear headphones. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Hisense smart TV. This is the Hisense TV that has Google TV, and it will connect via Bluetooth. All right, so first thing is we need to go to settings on a Hisense TV. So you can see, just go to the home screen, tap on the home button on your remote, and then you can see the gear icon on the top right hand side. So you have to navigate there. So let me, I got to point directly down there. So let me keep moving over to the right now, all the way over. Right there to the settings, and then just make sure it's highlighted in white right there, and then click on OK on the remote. And from here, we're going to scroll down, and we're going to go down to remotes and accessories right there, and then click on OK on the remote. Make sure Bluetooth here, make sure that is toggled on, okay? So make sure you turn that on. Turn it on, and then we're going to go down to pair accessory. All right, go ahead and click on pair accessory, click on OK on the remote. Now searching for devices that are in pairing mode that is near me, so we got to hurry up and put these in pairing mode before the scan stops. Okay, so currently these are off, and I have one power button here. Let me turn these on. Let me press and hold for about 4 seconds or until the light turns on. Okay, so what I want is blinking blue, 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 which will indicate it's in pairing mode. I'm not getting that. I'm getting a bunch of just a bunch of blue, flashing blue. I think because it's connected to my Samsung Galaxy phone. So for me, let me first turn these off. Let me press and hold that power button again for about 4 seconds or until the lights there disappear. Now, what I have to do, now they're off, now I'm going to turn them back on, but put it in a pairing mode. So this time I'm going to press and hold the power button and just wait until it starts blinking blue, 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 blue. Okay, so power button here, ready, set, go. Now hold it this time. Keep holding. Where's the blue, blue? Blue, 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 blue. There it is. Go ahead and let go. And it's still searching, so it should find it here. If we took too long, we can click back and let it scan again. Okay, anyway, it's still in pairing mode here. Oh, wow, it popped up. There it is, Altwear right there. The first time I'm connected to this TV too. So let me just go down, highlight Altwear, Sony Altwear, says pairing there. I think we get a Bluetooth request on this TV. Okay, yeah, we do. Pairing request, make sure pair is highlighted, and then click on OK on the remote. It says connecting, and it says paired now. And you can see we're connected. It says Altwear down here where it says connected. So we're connected and we're ready to go. Now the thing is, if you had issues where you couldn't pair or you had problems connecting, you can always factory reset these, okay? If you need to do that, look in the link below in the description area.